All right. Apparently, I am supposed to clean that varnish or whatever, because it can still create kind of a environment that can make the seals wear out a little bit quicker over time, from what I'm reading. I don't know if I believe that, but, I'm trying to be as, I guess, anal, I guess you could say, as possible about this build and do it as close to OEM as I can. So, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and polish the camshaft. Yeah, I was just going to film myself pressing those seals in right away, but I just wanted to get a real quick shot or two of the camshafts after I cleaned them, because, man, those are nice. I don't normally pat myself on the back, but I think the brake cleaner did a really good job of cleaning that up. So I just sprayed it down on the rag and gave her a gentle polish, not hard at all. I did notice a little bit of, I guess, some kind of a buildup on the bottom. Not much, but I can feel it. And there's one little scar mark on this thing somewhere. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not with the camera. Probably not. But it's not very big. I don't know if it's significant or not. I mean, there's not much I can do about it unless I get the emery cloth out, and then who knows, I might make it worse. I'm not going to mess with it. I think that if it was leaking, it was because the seals were probably, wore out. I think the camshafts are more than likely okay. Status update. It's still going in. I'm still having little panic attacks. What I've been doing is spinning it like a little tiny bit. Trying to. And that seems to loosen it up. And then I go a little more. I definitely don't want to lose TDC. I don't think I have yet. But I don't want to keep freaking unscrewing it and screwing it back in just because I thought I lost TDC. So I'm not doing that no more, but I might have to if this thing doesn't, go in. All right, paranoia setting back in. Screwed it back out to see if we lost TDC or not. Ooh boy, here we go. Hold on. That's a bit of a better view. Oh, jeez. Hold on. Back out. We didn't lose TDC. It's still in the same position. And the seal looks like it's still, same. It's even, I would say. So let's put this thing back in and go for that final push, huh? All right, guys, I've been screwing around. It's now like 12:23. I've been here for well over a couple hours working on the seal. I know you guys are going to be like, what? There's still a little tiny bit of seal left. A little tiny bit of gap I have to fill. This thing should be, if this is right, then this gap right here is what it needs to be at. That's how deep in it needs to set. So there's places here, well, the whole thing really, that's saying that it needs pressed in still. So I gotta get it to go just that little tiny bit more, and it's too late. I'm going to bed. I'll try it again in the morning, or morning. I'll try it again in the evening, the late evening tomorrow. I got 20% battery left. It's time for me to call it a night. This seal has one fucking thing. Take it easy, guys.